Hello friends, let's take a look at a few things that we come across in a nature walk. What is this? This is a twig. This falls off from the branches in a tree. This is a gumball. Do you see how spiky it is? This falls off from the sweet gum trees. Wow, do you see this? This is a flower. There are so many different colors of flowers around us. This is a pine cone. This falls from the tall pine trees. What is this? This is a leaf. There are so many different colors and shapes of leaves. Whenever you take a walk in a nature trail, I'm sure you will find a few of these.